Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you a really cool alternative A open chord. This is what it looks like and sounds like. And what we're going to want to do is, on the 6th string or E string, just play that open. Then on your 5th string or A string, play that open. That's your open A. Then on your 4th string, with your ring finger, on the 11th fret, play that C sharp. Then, with the 3rd string or G string, on the 9th fret, with your index finger, play that E. On the 2nd string, with your middle finger, play this A on the 10th fret. And the 1st string, just play that open E. And when you pull them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Again, work on your strumming, playing the notes individually till it sounds real clean, and that's an alternative version of your open A chord.